centre on Tuesday asked the Union Public Service Commission to withdraw its advertisement for lateral entry recruitments. Earlier, the opposition had targeted the centre, calling it centre's move to undermine reservations. Following the chaos by the opposition over the advertisements, the centre rolled back its decision, which was introduced back in 2018. On Tuesday, Minister for Department of Personnel and Training, Jitendra Singh, instructed UPSC to cancel its advertisement for August 17. In a letter to UPSC Chairperson Preeti Sudhan, Singh emphasized the Modi government's commitment to social justice and directed the withdrawal of the advertisement seeking applications for 45 bureaucratic positions. For those unversed, lateral entry into the bureaucracy involves hiring individuals from outside traditional government service cadres like Indian Administrative Service to occupy mid and senior level roles within government departments. The initial aim of this was to tackle intricate governance and policy implementation issues by utilizing external expertise. The latest move by the centre is the third time when the Modi 3.0 government has withdrawn a policy fearing backlash. Prior to this, on August 6, the Modi government decided to roll back its budget proposal to remove indexation benefits on long-term capital gains tax from sale of unlisted assets. Along with it, on August 8, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju presented the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 in Parliament, referring it to a joint parliamentary committee for more thorough examination due to opposition from Indie bloc parties. And at last, the Broadcast Service Regulation Bill was withdrawn after many experts expressed concerns over some of its provisions. Hence, the recent decision by the government on various legislative withdrawals reflect a pattern of reactive decision-making that raises questions about the administration's strategic coherence. The frequent adjustments and withdrawals suggest a need for more thorough planning and stakeholder engagement in the decision-making process.